Good afternoon, children. Today you will read about the species. As you know, chapter Conservation of Plants and Animals is the portion in online test which will be conducted on Sunday. So revision of this chapter is going on. You have read data book in which you have read that it keeps a record of endangered species. Now you should know what is extinct species, what is endangered species, and what is vulnerable species. Species is a group of individuals which can interbreed among themselves to produce their fertile offspring. स्पेसीज इंडिविजुअल का एक ग्रुप होता है जो कि आपस में इंटरब्रीड कर सकता है, ब्रीडिंग मीन्स रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, और फर्टाइल ऑफ स्प्रिंग मीन्स संतान को जन्म दे सकता है. तो स्पेसीज इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स विच कैन इंटरब्रीड अमॉन्ग देमसेल्व्स टू प्रोड्यूस देयर फर्टाइल ऑफ स्प्रिंग. यू हैव रेड endangered species, extinct species and vulnerable species. Extinct species means such species which have become extinct, means no member of that species is existing on the earth. No member of that species is found anywhere in the world. Okay? Such species are called extinct species. Like all of you know, dinosaur has become extinct, or dodo has also become extinct. ऐसे species जिनका कोई भी member अब इस अर्थ पर नहीं है, they have disappeared. Such species are called an extinct species. Next type of species you will read, children, that is endangered species. You have read data book maintains a record of endangered species or such species whose status is in threat. Okay, so endangered species means such species which may become extinct in the near future or which are at the verge of extinction are called इंडेंजर्ड स्पेसीज. ऐसे स्पेसीज जो जल्दी ही एक्सटिंक्ट हो सकते हैं, विलुप्त हो सकते हैं, उसे हम इंडेंजर्ड स्पेसीज कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज वल्नरेबल स्पेसीज, सच स्पेसीज विच मे बिकम एक्सटिंक्ट इन द मीडियम टर्म और विच मे बिकम इंडेंजर्ड सून. ऐसे स्पेसीज जो जल्दी ही इंडेंजर्ड स्पेसीज बन सकते हैं, या ऐसे स्पेसीज जो कुछ दिन के ही बाद एक्सटिंक्ट होने वाले हैं, उन्हें हम वल्नरेबल स्पीसीज कहते हैं. नाउ यू विल रीड, चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट आर एंडेमिक स्पीसीज एंड व्हाट आर द कॉजेज ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ एंडेमिक स्पीसीज. एंडेमिक स्पीसीज आर सच स्पीसीज विच आर फाउंड एट ए पार्टिकुलर जोग्राफिकल रीजन एंड नोवेयर एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. ऐसा स्पेसीज जो किसी खास जगह पे रहता है और वर्ल्ड में कहीं नहीं रहता है, ऐसे स्पेसीज को हम कहते हैं एंडेमिक स्पेसीज. स्पेसीज विच आर कन्फाइंड टू अ पार्टिकुलर आइलैंड, पार्टिकुलर कंट्री, और दे आर एक्सक्लूसिवली फाउंड इन अ जोग्राफिकल रीजन एंड नोवेयर एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड आर कॉल्ड एंडेमिक स्पेसीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑरेंज ब्रेस्टेड सनबर्ड is endemic to Finmo's vegetation of South Africa, and lion-tailed macaw is endemic species of southwest India of Western Ghat. Western Ghat is in southwest India, and lion-tailed macaw is a monkey. Okay, on the face there are long hairs and tail is like the tail of a lion. At the end of the tail there is a tuft of hair which resembles the tail of a lion. Name is lion-tailed macaw. It is exclusively found in Western Ghat, which is in southwest India. Okay, children. So, lion-tailed macaw and orange-breasted sunbird are endemic species means they are exclusively found in a particular geographical region and nowhere else in the world. Now, what are the causes of extinction of endemic species? First cause is loss of habitat. If there is destruction of habitat or if there is alteration in the environment, if there if deforestation takes place, then what happens? Endemic species may become extinct due to loss of habitat. Okay, children. Next cause of extinction of endemic species is over exploitation. Over exploitation means they are used excessively by the people. For example, passenger pigeon was endemic species of North America, but people liked its flesh too much. For the purpose of getting meat, they were hunted so much that they become extinct. They became extinct. Why? Because people liked the flesh of passenger pigeon and they hunted them excessively. इतना हंटिंग किए पैसेंजर पिजन का, ये एक तरह का कबूतर था और उसका मीट लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा हंटिंग होने से ये बिल्कुल एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए. पहले शुरू में ये न्यूमरस इन नंबर थे, बहुत ज़्यादा थे पैसेंजर पिजन, लेकिन ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन होने की वजह से वो एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए. नेक्स्ट रीजन ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ एंडेमिक स्पेसीज इज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू स्पेसीज. कभी कभी नए स्पेसीज के आने से वो नए स्पेसीज उन एंडेमिक स्पेसीज को अपना प्रे बना लेते हैं और वो भी उसी रिसोर्स के लिए स्ट्रगल करते हैं जिसके लिए एंडेमिक स्पेसीज करते हैं. तो एंडेमिक स्पेसीज को रिसोर्स की कमी हो जाती है तो वो एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाते हैं. चिल्ड्रन, यू नो, ड्यू टू इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू species become predator and they prey on endemic species. Endemic species become prey and these new species, they also compete for the resources, which resource is required by the endemic species. So due to two reasons, first reason they prey on endemic species and second reason they also compete for the same resources. Due to these reasons, the introduction of new species may cause extinction of endemic species. Next cause of extinction of endemic species is ecosystem disruption. You know, children, in the ecosystem, biotic and abiotic components interact with each other. You have read now, there is interaction of living and non-living components in the ecosystem. So, a reduction in the population of one species may affect the reduction in the population of other species. ठीक है बच्चों, तो अभी आप पढ़ रहे हैं कि ecosystem disruption may also cause extinction of endemic species because in the ecosystem there is interaction between the different organisms. So, reduction in the population of one species may affect the population of other species. Okay, how they are interlinked, children? You know, sometimes they are interlinked through food chain. In the food chain, you have seen, if the population of deer is reduced, then lion will not get sufficient food and the population of lion may also reduce. So you see, there is interaction. Okay, so this ecosystem disruption may cause extinction of endemic species. Now you will read, children, about migration. Migration is the periodic movement of animals and birds from their native place to new place and again they come back to their original place. Why do they migrate? They migrate to get sufficient food, to protect them from the harsh environment of their native place and for breeding. They migrate for three purposes. First purpose, for getting abundant food or sufficient food. Second purpose, for breeding. And third purpose, for protect them from the adverse environment which is in their native place. Okay, children. So you come to know that animals and birds migrate. Birds migrate because they have very good visual memory and their eyesight is also very good. They have better eyesight and they have very good visual memory. They can navigate with the help of the sun and the star along with the magnetic field of the earth. They have inbuilt magnetic compass. Inbuilt magnetic compass is a mass of tissue between the eye and the brain and it helps them to navigate. Okay, so birds migrate due to good visual memory and due to very good eyesight along with inbuilt magnetic compass. Okay, children. Some fishes also migrate from fresh water to sea water. Some fishes migrate from sea water to fresh water. All of you have read, children, that olive ridley turtle migrates from Pacific Ocean to Gahir Matha Turtle Sanctuary, which is located in Odisha. So turtle also migrate from Pacific Ocean to Gahir Matha Turtle Sanctuary. Gahir Matha Turtle Sanctuary is in Odisha. And after breeding, they again go back to their original place. So migration takes place in animals and birds. Next topic is, children, reforestation. Reforestation means afforestation. It is the process of restoring and recreating areas of forest that have once that were existing but due to destruction of forest they have been destroyed. Okay, children. So reforestation means afforestation. Afforestation means restoring the forest that once existed but have been deforested or have been destroyed. Now you should know, children, that reforestation or afforestation is meant for conservation of forest. Okay. While reforestation, we should select the same species of plants that were existing in the past. Then they will grow fast and it will help in re-establishment of forest soon. Okay. Next topic is recycling of paper. Recycling of paper means recovering the waste paper for recycling of paper. Recycling of paper is also very good step for the conservation of forest. Okay, you know, children, paper that can be recycled is called scrap paper. So scrap paper means we can recycle such paper. Paper suitable for recycling is called scrap paper. And you know that 90% of paper pulp is made from wood. So if we avoid the wastage of paper, we can conserve the forest, because for making paper we are depending on the forest. We get paper pulp from the forest. Therefore, children, we can also contribute in the conservation of forest. You can also contribute in the conservation of forest by avoiding the wastage of forest, by avoiding the wastage of paper. Okay, children. So these are the methods to conserve the forest. With this, your chapter is complete. All of you will revise the chapter thoroughly. Now see the objective type question answer. Fill in the blanks. First one, International Day for Biological Diversity is observed on, you can write, 22nd May. Second, a group of organisms capable of interbreeding under natural conditions is known as a species. You can write species. Third, dash species are the species that are found only in a particular area. It is endemic species. Dash is an important reserve for Prozac tiger. You can write Bandipur National Park. Dash Sanctuary in Odisha is the breeding ground for the giant olivary ridley turtle which migrate here from the Pacific Ocean. You can write, children, Gahir Matha Turtle Sanctuary. Now match the following. Rhinoceros. You will match it with Kaziranga National Park. You have read now that two-thirds of the world rhinoceros is available in Kaziranga National Park. Next, giant panda. It is endangered species. Flamingo, migration. Okay, children, you have read wildlife sanctuary, Gahir Matha turtle sanctuary, and Jayakwadi bird sanctuary. In Jayakwadi bird sanctuary, you had read, children, there is a lake, Nath Sagar Lake, which attracts many migratory birds, and crane, flamingo, these are migratory birds. They come here to get sufficient food and to get suitable climatic conditions. So flamingo you can match with migration. Cheetah, you can write vulnerable species. It may become extinct in the medium term. Passenger pigeon, you have read, children, it is endemic species which was numerous in number in North America, but people liked its meat, so they were hunted too much by the people and they became extinct. So this is endemic species. Passenger pigeon, it has become extinct. It is endemic species, so you can match it with extinct. Now take the correct option. Protection and preservation of wildlife and natural resources is known as afforestation, preservation, deforestation, conservation. You can take conservation. The cheetah is a vulnerable species because it is found in selected areas. It will be extinct soon. It will be endangered soon. Its hunting is banned. Cheetah is a vulnerable species because it will be endangered soon. Okay, children? It will be endangered soon. Next, plants found in a particular area are referred to as flora. Next, which one of the following is not an outcome of deforestation in an area? Which one of the following is not an outcome of the deforestation in an area? Increased rainfall, increased temperature, decreased rainfall, decreased soil erosion. Okay, children? Not an outcome of deforestation. This is outcome. Decreased soil erosion is not an outcome of deforestation. This and increased rainfall, it is also not an outcome of deforestation. Increased temperature, decreased rainfall, these two. So you can write decreased soil erosion. Next, a region in which conservation of biodiversity in its natural habitat is practiced is known as a national park. Okay, children? Now all of you will revise all these topics. Tomorrow I will discuss descriptive questions D and E. Thank you, children.